Have you ever dreamed of embarking on a solo adventure, but felt hesitant about taking that first step? What if we told you that solo travel could be the most transformative experience of your life? In this video, we'll reveal 15 essential tips that will not only make your solo journey safer and more enjoyable, but also potentially life-changing. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss out on the secret to unlocking a world of unforgettable experiences and personal growth. You'll be shocked to discover how solo travel can reshape your perspective on life and boost your confidence in ways you never imagined. Subscribe now to join a community of adventurers and unlock the keys to solo travel mastery. 1. Master the art of budget wizardry. Creating a comprehensive budget is crucial for any solo traveler. Start by researching average costs for accommodation, food, and activities in your chosen destination. For example, in Southeast Asia, you might budget $30–70 per day for a mid-range experience, while Western Europe could require $100–200 daily. Remember to add a 20% buffer for unexpected expenses or spontaneous activities. By mastering your budget, you'll enjoy your trip without constant financial stress. 2. Unlock the power of language basics. Learning key phrases in the local language can transform your travel experience. Imagine ordering your morning coffee in fluent Italian at a quaint Roman cafe, or successfully haggling at a bustling Bangkok market using basic Thai. These small linguistic efforts not only show respect for the local culture, but can also lead to warmer interactions and potentially better deals. Start with essential phrases like hello, thank you, and where is to open doors to unforgettable cultural exchanges. 3. Money management mastery. Smart money management is vital for solo travelers. Diversify your payment methods by carrying a mix of cash, credit cards, and prepaid travel cards. For instance, when exploring remote areas of Bali, cash might be your only option, while credit cards are widely accepted in major European cities. Keep your funds in different locations, some in your day pack, some in your hotel safe, and perhaps even a small emergency stash hidden in your shoe. This strategy ensures you're prepared for any financial situation. 4. The Lifeline Communication Plan. Establishing a communication plan with loved ones back home is crucial for both safety and emotional well-being. Set up regular check-ins, perhaps weekly video calls with family or daily text updates to a close friend. For example, you might agree to send a quick all-good message every evening, with the understanding that if they don't hear from you for 48 hours, they should start making inquiries. This plan provides peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. 5. Digital Fortress. Security and comfort. Protecting your digital life while enjoying home comforts is essential for modern solo travelers. Invest in a reliable VPN to secure your data when using public Wi-Fi in cafes or hostels. This not only protects your sensitive information, but also allows you to access geo-restricted content from home. Imagine being able to stream your favorite shows from a beachside bungalow in Thailand or securely check your bank account from a bustling cafe in Paris. A VPN is your digital Swiss Army knife for safe and enjoyable travel. 6. Health Guardian, your travel ally. Prioritizing your health is non-negotiable when traveling solo. Before your trip, visit a travel clinic for necessary vaccinations and pack a comprehensive first aid kit. For instance, if you're trekking in Nepal, you might need altitude sickness medication, while a trip to Mexico might require specific probiotics for gut health. Always carry any prescription medications in their original packaging along with a doctor's note. Remember, your health is your most valuable travel companion. 7. The art of smart packing. Mastering the art of packing can make or break your solo adventure. Opt for versatile, wrinkle-resistant clothing that can be mixed and matched. For example, a lightweight, quick-dry travel dress can be dressed up for dinner or worn as a beach cover-up. Packing cubes can help organize your belongings and compress clothes to save space. Don't forget essentials like a universal adapter, portable charger, and a compact travel towel. These small items can be lifesavers on the road. 8. Cultural chameleon, blending in. Understanding and respecting local customs is key to enriching your solo travel experience. Research cultural norms before you arrive to avoid unintentional faux pas. For instance, in Japan, it's customary to remove your shoes before entering homes and some restaurants, while in Middle Eastern countries, covering your shoulders and knees is often expected. By adapting to local customs, you'll not only show respect, but also potentially gain deeper insights into the culture you're exploring. 9. Local connection catalyst. Connecting with locals can transform your solo trip from good to unforgettable. Utilize apps like Meetup or Couchsurfing to find local events or meetups. For example, you might join a cooking class in Barcelona to learn about Catalan cuisine while meeting fellow travelers and locals. Don't shy away from striking up conversations in cafes or parks. These spontaneous interactions often lead to the most authentic experiences and insider tips about hidden gems in your destination. 10. Intuition, your inner travel guide. Trusting your instincts is a crucial skill for solo travelers. If a situation feels unsafe or uncomfortable, don't hesitate to remove yourself. For instance, if a friendly stranger's offer to show you around suddenly feels off, politely decline and head to a public area. Remember, it's better to potentially miss out on an experience than to put yourself at risk. Your intuition is a powerful tool. Hone it and trust it throughout your journey. Evan, offline navigation ninja. Mastering offline navigation can be a game changer for solo travelers. Before exploring a new city, download offline maps using apps like Google Maps or Maps.me. This way, even without data or Wi-Fi, you can confidently navigate unfamiliar streets. For example, when wandering through the winding alleys of Marrakech's Medina, an offline map can help you find your way back to your riad without relying on potentially misleading directions from locals. 12. Transportation tactiques. Understanding local transportation options can save you time, money, and stress. Research the best ways to get around your destination before arrival. In some cities like London or Tokyo, public transport is efficient and cost-effective, while in others like Bali or parts of South America, renting a scooter might be more practical. Always have a backup plan. For instance, know how to call a reliable taxi service if public transport shuts down unexpectedly. 13. Insurance, your travel safety net. Travel insurance is not just a precaution, it's a necessity for solo travelers. It can cover everything from medical emergencies to trip cancellations and lost luggage. For example, if you fall ill while trekking in Peru and need emergency evacuation, travel insurance could save you tens of thousands of dollars. Always read the fine print and choose a policy that covers the activities you plan to engage in, such as adventure sports or scuba diving. 14. Valuables. Vault, keeping your treasures safe. Protecting your valuables is crucial when traveling solo. Use a money belt or hidden pouch for important items like your passport and extra cash. In your accommodation, always use the safe if available. For example, when relaxing on a beach in Thailand, consider using a waterproof pouch for your phone and wallet, or leaving valuable items locked in your hostel. Remember, it's not just about preventing theft, it's also about peace of mind so you can fully enjoy your experiences. 15. Expense tracking wizard. Keeping track of your expenses is vital for staying on budget during solo travel. Use apps like Trail Wallet or Splitwise to log your daily spending. This habit helps you understand where your money is going and allows you to adjust your spending if necessary. For instance, you might realize you're spending more on taxis than anticipated, prompting you to switch to public transport. Regular expense tracking ensures you can make the most of your travel budget without unexpected financial stress. Armed with these 15 essential tips, you're now ready to embark on your solo adventure with confidence and excitement. Remember, solo travel is not just about seeing new places. It's about discovering yourself and gaining a new perspective on the world. If you're intrigued by the idea of using solo travel as a stepping stone towards a lifestyle of freedom and personal growth, keep watching our previous videos. They tackle more ways to achieve your goals and reveal surprising insights that could change your approach to life and travel. Your journey to becoming a master solo traveler starts here. Click the link in the description to access exclusive resources that will further enhance your financial freedom and set you on the path to unforgettable adventures.